Hello, good morning students. In lesson number 10, Transport and Communication, now we are going to discuss about airways. In the previous module, I had told you that waterways is the cheapest means of transport. Tell me children, what do you think about airways? Airways, are they cheap or they are expensive? Yes, you are correct. You will immediately say airways is not at all the cheapest means of transport. It is the most expensive means of transport. But children, remember, it is faster than other means of transport. If it is faster than water transport, of course water transport is very slow. It takes a lot of time for the ships to move from one country to another. While in the air transport, you can move within hours from one country to another. Even land transport or railways, there is some limitation. Land and transport they need, or railway lines, they need those tracks and roads to move from one place to another. Whereas in airways, you don't need any roads or especially ways to build for the transport for the vehicles to move from one place to another. But of course it is very expensive because the vehicles, the aeroplanes or the helicopters or any other thing, they need the jet fuel, and that is very, very expensive because the fuel is very expensive, and they are carrying so much of a heavy load. The aeroplanes are very, very heavy, you can understand, and they are carrying even goods, and they are carrying passengers. Sometimes you have passengers more than 400 or 500, and the luxurious planes, they have many compartments like you have in your the hotels. So this aeroplanes, they are very expensive, but of course they are one of the fastest means of transport. Next, coming to airways. Airways not only air transport or airways not only transport people from one place to another, they carry goods. Now what type of goods? They carry perishable goods. They carry perishable goods. Now what is perishable goods? The goods which get spoiled very easily. Suppose you are transporting things like flowers or maybe some eatable things which get spoiled within few days. Can you transport it in ship? Yes, of course, nowadays children, things are transported in the ship because there is a container that keeps it in the frozen temperature. As you must have seen trucks, those freezer trucks also moving from one place to another, they have those. But yes, goods transportation in aeroplanes are very expensive, especially you transport medicines or very goods which are very in emergency, you need it. Okay, and these are transported, mainly people only go from one place to another. Even mails are transported. Mails means letters or parcels are also transported from one place to another, from one country to another also. Now aeroplanes, as we discussed, they need airports, like you need ports for the ships, you need airports. India has it's a good connectivity with other countries, and within the country different states have quite a few number of airports where air connectivity is quite good. Nowadays we have private airlines, of course government airlines is there. We have Air India and Indian Airlines. Now it is Air India only. We have government airlines, but we have of course private airlines. You must have traveled in private airlines like Indigo or SpiceJet, other Jet Airways was there, but now it is stopped functioning. Okay, so there are Vistara and all that. There are different private airlines in India which are operating all over India, and some of the ways are going to different countries also too. And helicopters are used in areas where it is very difficult to reach, I told you, especially in the mountain areas or very thick forests. Suppose mainly they are used for disasters, or mainly they are used by people when they have to move in a short distance very quickly. When the VIPs, the important person, when they have to go from one place to another in a short distance, they move in helicopters, dropping food and medicine, and even rescuing people. I discussed during the time of disasters, helicopters are used. So this is all about air transport. Thank you.